Welcome to the Aquatic Insect Safari. It's hard to tell whether water is good, fair, or poor quality just by looking at it. But insects know. Different insects live in water quality that suits their needs. Some insects live only in good quality water, and others are found only in bacteria-filled, poor quality water. And some are found in water in between those extremes, in fair quality water. So insect scientists, called entomologists, look at insects found in water, a lake, pond, stream, or water collecting around our homes, and based on the insects living there, can make a good guess about the quality of the water. All right, entomologists, the goal is to work as a team to determine each type of the 9 different insects within the time limit and place them in the correct habitat. 2 to 4 players can play. One player is the collector, the other players are insect identifiers. The collector and the identifiers sit on opposite sides of the table, with the game board between them. To start the game, place the insect cards face down on the board. The collector draws an insect card and places it in the holder facing away from the insect identifiers. Don't show it to the identifiers or give hints. Only answer the identifiers' questions based on what's written on the card. Use the questions and based on the yes or no answers from the collector, figure out what insect the collector has in the holder. Take turns asking questions or identifying each insect. Each identifier should take turns being the collector during the game. Identifiers. You'll start here with each new insect. The goal is to determine the type of insect collected and the quality of the water it lives in. With each new insect, always start with the first question on the key. And depending on the collector's yes or no answer, follow the arrow to the next question until you get to an insect. Ask the collector if your identification is correct. Collector, provide the correct answer for each question the identifier asks. If your identifiers correctly identify the insect, place the card in the correct aquatic habitat. If they didn't get the identification correct, place the insect card at the bottom of the stack. To complete the game, correctly identify all 9 insects before the time is up.
Eco Help!